Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make calls directly from Zoho CRM. This feature helps streamline communications with clients. So let's get started by following these steps together. The first step is to integrate your phone system. Now before you do that, you have to log into your Zoho CRM account. And to do so, just open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. After the website appears, if you haven't already logged in yet, enter your account's credentials and log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now in the settings right here, go to setup and look for channels. Let's see here, let's see the channel section right here and select telephony, yeah, this one. Now, select your phone provider such as Zoho, PhoneBridge, Twilio, or RingCentral and follow the setup instructions. Let's choose the first one right here and click on install and follow these steps right here. And that's it. It is installed. Now the second step is to make a call from CRM. Open a lead or contact record. Here, let's see. I don't know if I have any contacts in here. Let's try this one right here. Let's open a new account right here. And click the phone icon next to their number, this green icon right here. The call will be initiated through the integrated phone system. As you can see here, click on open. Now the third step is to log call details. After the call, log details like call duration and outcome for the future reference. And that's how you make calls from Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.